Hi UK, my name is Billy from Manchester, and today I'm going to be taking you around this fantastic 2015 Volkswagen Golf R. 4Motion 4-wheel drive. It is the 2-litre petrol manual with 4 previous owners and just over 37,000 miles on the clock. Now, great news, it is a Motormatch approved used vehicle, so it does come with a 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty. If you would like to put yourself up test drive in this car, please give us a call on 01244 311 404. Now, you may have noticed the fantastic blue paintwork actually is the lapis blue metallic, which does look fantastic. And then taking a look at our passenger side now, we got the blacked out alloy wheels, which really do match the rest of the aesthetic of the car, really going well with the lapis paintwork. Got wind deflectors just here on the front 2 windows, and tinted black back windows for privacy your rear passengers. Full cloth upholstery, which is in great condition, and a nice armrest and cup holder combination there in the middle. Moving around to the very back now, we've got the tinted tail lights, which really do add a nice look with the tinted black back windows. And then checking on the interior of the boot, you do have the wind deflectors for the rear 2 windows. Loads of space in here, 12-volt power supply for charging devices, and a spare wheel and an inflation kit all in the boot, which is very nice. Now, the car's been maintained very well, as it has 4 services in the history, with the last at 29,000 miles, and the water pump has also been changed at 34,000 miles, and we will service and MOT this car prior to sale. Got that fantastic flat bottom steering wheel there as well. Now, this concludes our 360-degree tour around the vehicle. What I'm going to do now, though, is go in the interior and explain some of the features in a little bit more detail. Starting off over on the right hand side, you get your 4 electric windows just there, and above that you will find your central locking and wing mirror controls with the heated and fold-in option. Automatic daylight sensor and lights, so you don't have to worry about turning them on or off. 2 full-size keys, always a great sign a car's been looked after well. Steering wheel mounted controls, both on the right and on the left as well, with cruise control, which just makes those long motorway journeys a lot more relaxing. Got your digital computer here in the middle of your 2 dials, which is going to show you your exact mileage on screen, miles per hour, your phone, audio, assist systems, and driving data. Moving over to the left, you've got your main multimedia screen here with FM, AM, and DAB radio functionality. This therefore gives you an incredible list of radio stations to choose from all throughout the country. You can also create your own presets, so your favourite radio stations are only one button press away. However, you can connect your phone via the Bluetooth and connect your own songs and your own contacts to legally call people while on the road. And you've got this little menu system here just showing you that it is both touchscreen and analog. Got the drive mode selection from normal, race, eco and individual, where you can go in and personalise your own drive mode, changing things like the steering, engine, ACC, your bend lighting, all different things like that. Your air conditioning as well. And putting the car into reverse will reveal the park pilot with front and rear parking sensors, just making manoeuvres in this car so much easier. Dual zone temperature control, so you can change the temperature on each side of the car, avoiding any arguments with you and your front passenger, and full air conditioning of course. Lovely 6-speed manual. 2 cup holders just there next to the electric parking brake. Bit of storage in your armrest, and it is actually adjustable and leather. And taking a look at the top, you do have a sunglasses case. Now, a little bit of extra information about us at Motormatch Chester. Most of our cars are handpicked internally from our premium Swansway sites all across the country. All of our cars go through extensive mechanical preparations and bodywork checks. RAC extended warranties up to 3 years are available, along with flexible finance packages. All Motormatch vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee to cover the provenance check. For more information or to put yourself a test drive, why not give us a call on 01244 311 404. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you here at Motormatch Chester very soon. Thank you and goodbye.